It's the Big 6. Doing fine, running great. Why am I out here? Why am I opening the hood? You don't have to open the hood on a Toyota. It never breaks. Yeah, it's not broken. But there is something that I've been meaning to do. I'll put a video clip in of what I'm talking about right here so you understand what we're doing. So now we're going to put the hold down back, put it under the handle, because on the battery, if your battery has one, this has to go through that hole. That has to line up with the hole here. So pick it up, just stick that through like that, and just move it until that lines up. We'll get that bolt started by hand. It's a little rusty. You can put some oil on it if you want, which I might do. Well, I didn't get around to it yet, so we're doing it now. We'll take this and just get it out of here. I'm going to put some oil on that bolt. I don't have my fancy ratchet set here, so we're going to use this shitty Harbor Freight one. That's a 10mm. And let me readjust the camera here. Yeah, this bolt was rusty, so I think we should put some Earl on that. Yikes. That's not the nicest feeling nut, or bolt rather. That's really gritty threads. Hopefully the oil will help. There we are. Some good old 3-in-1. What else would Jay use? 3-in-1 is great for everything. It needs lubrication. It's funny how the end of the bolt is like clean. That's very interesting. So first thing I'm going to do is put some Earl around the hole here in the threads. Just make a mess out of it and put some oil on the bolt. Good amount. I don't want to cause any issues. Get that lined up. Oh yeah, I can tell already. Much better. Nice. Okay, that's good. Doesn't have to be super tight, just good and tight is all we need. And so I don't spill the sockets, let me just put all of this crap back right quick. Close this up. There we go. A little more Earl on the bolt. That's more than plenty. I've got a little rag here. I keep that in the car. You can see, you can tell. Just mop that up. That's nice and protected. While we're at it, just to do it, in case, although probably got 3, maybe even 4 years still, might need a battery, let's go ahead and put some Earl on this too. I think that'll do just fine. It'll kind of wick its way through. I will mop it up right quick. There we are. So that bolt is now in, and it went in so much more smoothly and nicely and all of that. The inside of this rag is relatively clean, so let's check the Earl on the Big 6 while we're at it. Golden Blossom oil makes everything taste better. Absolutely right up to the mark. Absolutely perfect. All around. 100,000%. Pop that back in. Everything there looks good. And that's it. We just got to put this stupid cover back. It looks better with the cover, but it's kind of a pain in the ass. That's it. That's all you got. So that is gonna do it. I thank you very kindly for watching, and I really appreciate it. Just a real simple, quick thing. Took just a couple of minutes, and now it's done. So we can now close the hood. All done. Thank you so kindly for watching once again. I really appreciate it. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe. And this is now the 7th video that I've recorded today. I'm done. I gotta finish editing, clean up, and have dinner. Take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.